It's a flying bucket. Davinci Technology hope to have the most cost-effective personal drone, personal man, personal flying. Yeah, I don't know. What are these things going to end up being called, I wonder? But they hope to have the most affordable, man-lifting capable, large multi-rotor on the market by Q3 of 2018, and that's a big ask. This has been in design since 2015 and inspired by Leonardo da Vinci and all his work. Who can fail to be inspired by Leonardo da Vinci? And they're hoping to have a safe, easy to use, compact, versatile and affordable, just like a small car, and looking for a 30-minute flying time with a 50-kilometre range. They've been test flying with, and they admit to it, with a dummy, which is great. The third prototype, which we're seeing, I believe, in the video here, can lift up to 70 kilos. So forget lifting a person, all sorts of rights and responsibilities for keeping a young man or a young lady alive, but cargo doesn't really care, and 70 kilos is not an inconsiderable load, and if they truly did get a 50-kilometre range, that would make for a very useful machine. It's taken them 2 years to reach this point, and the ZeroG prototype, as they call it, is what you're seeing flying in this video. Fair play to them. I like very much that they've admitted to troubles on the way. That's always a good sign to me. Anyone that says they arrive and the thing worked out of the box, they're making it up. At the moment, they've got an R&D team consisting of 4 electronics and aerodynamic engineers, 3 flight controller, firmware and app software engineers, and 2 concept and mechanical engineers. I will be keeping an eye on Davinci Technology. Fair play, well done. I look forward to seeing what Q3 2018 brings.